I'm Rio Panapa. I'm a musician and vlogger, and like you, I'm in lockdown for the next 4 weeks at home in Rotorua with my whanau. Keeping healthy, physically and mentally during this time is so important, and music for me is a big part of that. Over the next month, my goal is to lift the spirits of viewers by connecting with other musicians around the motu, sharing their waiata and thoughts with us. Get ready to be lifted. Today I'm catching up with my bro Jackson Owens, a gifted young singer and songwriter who started his career on YouTube before being picked up by an American producer. He's now based in Melbourne, and this summer he joined us on tour. Let's see how the bro's getting on.
Well, whanau, just want to show you around the whare and stuff, show you what we get up to in isolation. It's got my mum and George behind me. We've just had a big kite. My little sister's a bit of a gun at TikTok, so I think she's going to give us a demo. Yeah. But this room here is the music room. Me and my sister spend most of our time with our gaps and speakers and stuff. Got pretty much everything you need. We have a bit of a jam. Been posting up covers and stuff lately too, so it's been pretty mean. Got a lot of spare time. But well, I suppose that's pretty much it.
Cheer, my star. What's going on? How you, bro? All good?
Yeah, good, my bro. How you?
Yeah, good, good. How you, sis? Your sister there, Georgia? How you, sis? All good?
Yeah.
Safe. So, cuz, if you could just let us know, bro, where you are in the world, and who you're isolating with, bro, at the moment.
So yeah, we're over in Melbourne at the moment. I just got back about a week ago from being with Suns. With the Suns boys. Our last show got cancelled in Wellington, which is a bummer, but I suppose you got to do what you got to do in these situations. So yeah, we're over in Melbourne now and isolating for 14 days. Everyone's all good back here. Sort of just worried about my koro and my nan back home in Aotearoa, but all the kaumatas really. Just want to give a quick shout out to them. Are
there any positives, bro? You know, during this time, obviously, not having to go to mahi and just being able to spend time with your mum and your sisters and whanau?
Yeah, cuz, definitely some positives coming out of it. You get to spend more time with the whanau. Haven't really seen the whanau in the last 3 months, so it's been good. Me and my sis just been writing songs and jamming, doing some covers and stuff, so yeah, we've been keeping busy. I mean, we take a lot of inspiration from a lot of R&B old school artists, so yeah, we like that old school stuff, so we just get on the get and just whatever comes to mind, basically. Feel like all this free time we've got is bringing all use of creative vibes. So yeah, it's been me.
And for you, sis, how do you feel seeing your brother do his mahi and on stage and just seeing him thrive? What's that like for you as his sister?
No, he's pretty inspirational. Watching him, feeling pretty proud, and I'm keen to jump on with him one day.
Yeah, too much. Speaking of jamming together, do you fellas mind throwing down some waiata for our whanau who are currently in isolation? Is that all good?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. We'll have a bit of a jam for you fellas.
Hey, too much cuzzies.
Slow down, girl, let me love you. 1, 2, 3, darling, I care for you more than my own self. Darling, I share with you all goodness and love. So we could have just one night, or we could have one night if we play cool. So we could have just one thing, or we could have everything if our hearts are true. So slow down, girl, let me love you.
mesmerizing. Just looking in your eyes, you know I'm looking for more. And you what I've been praying for. This kind of love don't come around like this. I'm the one to play around like this. It's so real, and I love how it feels. I love it when we slowly sway. I love it when we keep the same thing. I love the way we move, the way we move, yeah. We can act every night, yeah. We can act every day. Oh, I want you to, I need you.
Let's slow down. Girl, let me love you.
I love you, love you, love you.
Lord, let's slow down. And let me get to know you.
I wanna see you tomorrow, not just the thrill of today. Don't let our love just be borrowed. This is the choice that we take.
Get out just one night, or we get out one life. If we play it cool,
Ooh, so cool,
so we get out everything. Get out everything. If our hearts are true. So slow down. Girl, let me love you.
Mean too much. Thank you guys so much for sharing those beautiful waiata with us. I'm sure that everybody here in Aotearoa and all the Kiwis abroad as well will be, super appreciative of you guys spending your time with us, sharing a bit about what's happening for you fellas over there in Melbourne. And I guess just lastly, bro, is there anything that you or yourself, George, want to say to everybody out there while we're all going through this difficult time?
Just everyone keep safe. Obviously, wash your hands and everything. But
Stay home.
stay home. Stay home is the key, whanau. But
Yeah.
we'll get through this. Definitely, us Aotearoa people will get through this. So stick together, and we'll come out the other side. All good. We got this.
Man, too much, my bro. Thank you, sis. Awesome whanau. Love you guys. Take care.
Yeah, hard. Trip up.
Thank
Check.
Yeah, thank you.
Wanna believe what you say, but I hate you on most days. You've been testing my faith and my patience, yeah. You know that I be headstrong, but you know that you be dead wrong, telling me to relax, react, yeah. But I'd rather fight, lose sleep at night, at least you're mine. And if I had to choose one of you,
I'm gonna lose it. What if nothing ever will change? Oh, I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Oh, I wish there was a right way. Oh, I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Oh,
do I even have a choice when I'm gonna have to pick my poison? Yeah, it hurt me so good, so good. But even when you cause tears, you're the one who I'm still away. Maybe that's the reason I stay. But I'd rather fight than lose sleep at night. At least wish you're mine. And if I had to choose out on you, I'm gonna lose, yes. But what if nothing ever will change? Oh, I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Oh, I wish that was the right way. I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Oh,
What if nothing ever will change? I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Oh, I wish there was a right way. I'm caught between your love and a hard place.
oh,
Oh, I'm caught between